Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix websites not loading on Google Chrome. So let's get started. So you are using your Chrome browser but you can't use any websites or you can't open any websites on your browser and you want to fix that. So to fix that problem, what you can do is first of all check you're on a reliable internet source. So to check if you're on a reliable internet source, what you can do is just launch some other browsers that you have installed in your device. You might probably have installed Microsoft Edge. What you can do is just open up your Microsoft Edge and then check if websites are running in your Edge browser. Or you can also use some other browsers like Opera, or you can also use your Brave browser to check if websites are loading. Or you have also installed your Firefox, you can also do that with your Firefox. So just open up those browsers and check if the websites are loading, and if the websites are loading in those browsers, that means the problem is within your Chrome browser or any software running on your system. So what you can do is just open up your Chrome browser. After opening up your Chrome browser, in the top right corner of your screen you can find a puzzle icon. Just have to tap on that icon, and after tapping on that icon you can find this option which says manage extensions. So just tap on that, and after tapping on that you can find the following extensions that you have installed in your browser. So what you can do is just disable all these extensions and then try to use your Chrome browser, and if that fixes the problem, what you can do is just come back to this extension icon or this extension page and then turn it on one by one and then use your browser and find out which extension is causing you this problem, and you can remove that extension. So you can do this. And now what you can do is just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right corner of your screen and then navigate to your settings. So you can find the settings options in the bottom of your screen. So just tap on settings. So after tapping on settings, in the search bar what you can do is just search for cookies. After searching for cookies, here you can find this option which says clear browser data. So you have to clear your browser data in order to fix your problem. So just head towards your basic and then clear the data by tapping on clear data. So if you want to find some advanced options, what you can do is just tap on advanced and you will find some more options that you can clear your Chrome data with. So what you can do is just check some of these options that you like and uncheck some of the options that you don't. So I will suggest you not to clear your password and other sign-in data and your site settings. So just uncheck these two options and you can check some other options and you can just clear that data. And by doing this, you might have fixed your problem, but if this does not fix your problem, what you have to do is just you have to check if you have installed any VPN in your browser. And after completing that, what you have to do is check if you are using any VPN in your device. So if you are using any VPN in your device, that will cause you this problem because some websites does not allow VPNs. So you just have to turn your VPN off, and by turning your VPN off you will fix the problem. Or what you have to do is just tap on this search bar and then search for settings, and in your settings what you have to do is you have to check if you have an update. So just tap on check for update and then check if you have an update in your device. So if you have an update, what you can do is just update your device. And after completing the update, you have to make sure to restart your PC and then restart every single network related processes on your PC. So, but even this doesn't fix your problem, what you can do is just check if your router is working. So just restart your router and then check if it's working, and then try to access your Google Chrome and just open up some websites. So if you're facing the problem because of your router, what you can do is just use an Ethernet connection if the option is available. So just use the Ethernet connection and then access your Google Chrome and you might fix your problem. So by following all the steps that I have shown you, you will probably fix your problem in your Google Chrome. But even that still doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is just uninstall and reinstall your browser. So what you can do is just open up your settings, and after opening up your settings you just have to head over to your apps and then install the apps. And inside your installed apps, what you have to do is just search for Chrome. And beside your Chrome, you can find this three-dotted icon. You just have to tap on it and then tap on uninstall. After uninstalling your Google Chrome, what you can do is just open up your Microsoft Edge or some other browser that you have installed in your device and then search for Chrome. After searching for Chrome download, you will find some of these websites that you can download your Chrome from. You just have to simply download a Chrome from any website that you can find and then try to use your Google Chrome, and by doing that you will most probably fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix website not loading on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.